welcome to the mix, and on the mix is Shebada today. Now he came with something, and this is in regards, well, to Spice. Now he's saying that she should seek God, and the people should tell her not to do what she has been doing. So go ahead and listen to the video and make your own opinion. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel as always. And have yourselves a wonderful Sunday.
Listen, my please. Them know said definitely say, this ain't no crowd, baby girl. This ain't no crowd. You're talking about your crowd. This ain't no crowd. Lady Antebellum, seek God. Seek God. Nobody not tell you to stop skin out. Seek God and make him direct you. Are your attention God want? Rasta! Yeah, are your attention God want? Me tell the people them from early, me say, you see people that do this. It simply means that they're not sure if the artist is coming. Because sometimes the promoter say the artist are come and the artist not come like what you do from the other day. And you never turn up. So just that, my baby, and nothing more. And I don't know about not chat you. I just that. You see it? God a call you. God is calling all the gunmen. God a call you. That's all you need to do. Let go and let God. Now ask me who me attack. Now come from my program, come ask me who me attack. Because you know Sasha Valor. Oh. Now come from my program, come ask me who me attack. Martin Black the person who asks who is Rasta for me. Not the one who asks who me attack. Black the person who asks who is Rasta. Yeah. But this is it. Shensia, Talo, your turn. Amari, your turn. Valenciaga, thank you. Yeah, come here, yeah. Thank you. Yes. Talo is your turn. Rush out. Use what God bless you with. Now is the time for people to go rise up. Rise up. Spice, me know you eat me, but I just for life. But you eat me for the truth like everybody else. See there, you could have never hold on pretty and TC and rebel and win. You could have never hold them down. You could have never no one get RT boss a bus of them out goose gaza geze for you. You could have never do it and win. Never, not care when nobody wants to say. Not care this and not care that. Spice go seek God. And stop cause the Christian people and stop cause the people and we pray for you. You're too damn ungrateful. You're an ungrateful dirty drunk crow. You're a damn ungrateful bitch. But God have your number. God would call you or call your mama. And your mama put up with so much slackness for you. Special thank you. Your mama put up with so much phobia for you, the vile and the aisle. Eh? But God have your number. God have your number, of course. And mine him call it. Sometimes I don't know. I am not perfect. I'm far from perfect. I'm not even develop the P yet. You understand me? We are all sinners and we come short of the glory of God. But we can't be so brave. We can't be so brave. Oh, you mean God have your number? You got to your man for me. Oh, you mean God have your number, Spice? And then me, you got to your man for me. Don't ever say that item. That's why I say, ladies, sir, you're too enough. Ladies, sir, you're too enough. Then the Christian people ever come out and I say, Spice, make sure tell them, say, none of you not get no word for me. None of you not get nothing at all for me. God have our number. Trini, you think I lie? She said, God have our number. Him know how to reach her. And if you can't get her, get her mama. Sorry. Top. Is we give God work? Is we tell God what to do? When me sit down for my program and me talk for my program, Uno said one turn on and say, him bad mind, him envious, him this, him that. The only thing uno say yet that say me licky. But everything, uno say me bad mind, me envious, me this, me that. What about ungrateful? So when you come from a program, what you have to say about Spice? I don't care if she want to wake or lay down. I don't care. I don't care. Exactly, Winnie. No, but it's not like me sitting on the seat from afar. I see them coming after my soul, trying to take my whole. Yeah, I see them come from afar. I say, yo, kaka, chaka, yinga. I see it coming, long time. I'm going to say that girl, she do have gratitude. People that take picture with me and she draw me in one corner away from the crowd because she don't want nobody take picture with me and she alone. You see what Tall Up sing about? No for una not know about it. With Tall Up, no for una did know say Tall Up used to dance behind Spice. Tall Up used to be a part of Spice dance group. So leave Tall Up, make she talk. The lady know what she talk about. Leave her, make she talk. You are not enough in the same airport and people are glued over she and then them change them attention when them say you. Now she draw you out of the crowd. You now get more shine and real than she. She and Ayactine stay the same way. Them never get no hug and appreciation when them a grow up. How people for pray for you, send up prayer and people come and say God give them a message. The reason why you can't fight the message with them saying whether a true or a lie, you know why? You shut down everything concerning Christianity. You lady, if people listen to you closely, there is no one in this world, our lifetime, that is holy enough to minister to you but RT boss. Everything that has to do with a Christian connotation, once it comes to you, you shut it down. And that is what enough persons not realizing about you. You, Lady D. You. Everybody that comes to you. Everyone that comes to you with God say, and the Lord give me a message, and the Lord this, you shut it down. Everyone that is a Christian, you understand me? Once you and them cannot say I, they are no longer a child of God. Them are this, them. What are you, Lady Spice? What are you? Everybody, nobody don't see that, you know. Everybody only see you a cry. Me don't know them eat my fam. Me don't know where you eat the gospel for. Nobody don't see that on the internet. Nobody. Everybody see on the internet. Look at the woman. Make the woman prosper. Make the woman this. Make the woman that. She alone must talk about God. And everybody listen. Everybody must listen when she talk about God. And she hardly talk about God. She talk about God in her true word. God talk to me like how him talk. Somehow we too busy for God talk to him. My people perish because of lack of knowledge. You see, when you want to have your own way and do your own thing, the gospel is not nice. The gospel is not right. You understand me? When you want to do your own thing, ask anybody in this lifestyle. Ask them to Christians. Ask Christians. Every time somebody come to you, lady, with the word of Almighty God, you shoot it down. Them not holy again, them not bother worry holy. Nice English.